From last video, I stole a fruit. Well, it was at the ground. What was I supposed to do? And it is a new newbie. I think that is. Have to get to level 13 and 14 because that's around where the monkeys level up, so they won't damage me. Let me show this newbie how you do it. Sure, this fruit isn't that good, but it's still effective for starters. Is everyone coming? Is everyone here? Hey you! Oh my gosh! Wait! Hey you! Thank you. Like, no, why don't I use my remote? We try to charge up. Next time. What mystery am I must make? First, I have to get them weak with my sword, and then wait. I didn't even realize this. Huh? And then okay, they're all on 10. So this is a mastery 90. You can hit me. You can hit me, but you're not strong enough to damage me. Is everyone here? No, I killed one. Smoke slam. But I killed the others with a smoke slam. Okay, maybe I want to go to 15, level 15. Yeah, maybe I want to go to that. I have to get to until level 35, grinding the Gorilla King. Okay. 2, 3, 4. Nice. And 5. Gosh. Is everyone here? Wait for this guy, bro. Wait for this guy. Is everyone here now? Thank you. I don't want to kill everyone. By mistake. No, I didn't level up until what I wanted to level up until. But it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna buy loot. That costs $300. Next. Back. Okay, I'll take this one. Okay, now never mind. Okay. Now. Okay, I landed in the boat. Now time to drive. I just to drive straight while shooting the balls. I'm driving. There is my old boy, the jungle. Who's this guy? Maybe give me maybe Twitter. Look, I was glitching for a second. Give me quest. Monkey gorillas or gorilla king? 3 monkeys. I'm literally level 14, so don't talk back to me. Now, let's together a lot of monkeys together. Okay, well, is the monkey still following me? True. Okay, let me just gather 3 monkeys and I'll gather 3 more monkeys. Okay, I'm here. Now everyone's following me. And then now I'm here. Nice. Now. You dare steal my kill. You dare steal my kill. How is the new quest available? Oh, 15. Well, I'm taking this chest. Okay, I hit you. Now you're coming with me. You're coming with me, bro. I said you come with me. No, since that other monkey went, I don't know where the hell went. Oh, there's the other monkey. It's just in the water. Almost charged up. Wait, I was using my katana all this time. Mystery 10 of smoke. Oh, I unlocked the new move. Smoke bomb. Wait, I can fly now. Yes. How do I go up? Oh, that's how I go up. Okay. Now I have unlocked smoke bomb. I'm chilling. Okay. Where's the other monkeys? Wait, let me go find the other monkeys real quick. Wait, monkey. Ah, red out. Guess I have to kill this monkey. Come back. Quick rush. And this. No. This. I don't know what these are coming out on my screen. Why is he cash? Bro must be a cash fan. He must really be a cash fan. Monkeys die. Okay, that was hilarious. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Monkey, don't even try me. You have no chance against me. I'm still going for monkeys. I need their target. Yes. Oh, they already killed me. I didn't know this building was up Cash blox TV. Like how Cash Media inside. Cash blox TV, yeah. Ugh. Now we go to the low. Okay. Now start. No, I let go. Hello, monkey. Just gonna really make this spider. Oh, so I don't need a ship anymore since I can fly. But it is a little bit hard to control. Okay. Oh, there's another monkey just like wow. Screw this. What the heck, bro? Just don't care. I got some super low already. This guy wants to steal my kill, but I can't do my hair anymore. Let me just get this. Okay. How do I get this thing? Ah, he already got this. I'm just getting low for him. Okay, I got him low for him. And he killed him. Okay, I only need 3 more kills, so... This way. Oh, I like the smoke slam. Master with 13. I'm on my way to master with 20 already. Now. Okay, now I'm surrounding him and I'm blasting him. Hey, just try to hit me. Alright, it's too fast for you to hit me. Oh, you were down. Okay. This is my last prey. Take this. My bombs. A fury. Level up 19. What level was it? Pretty sure I was at level 17. But now I'm at level 19. I'm almost cut off for the gorilla. Level 20. The monkeys. Who's doing that? You're not stealing my prey. Oh, I just have to move my screen. That's how I would do it. So what is this for? I thought this was for your controlling the thing. Oh no, this is for going up and down. I finally learned how to control it better. Go up, go down, go up, go down. Okay, where's my next prey? It's a little bit far away, isn't it? Now let me take the chest. Oh my god, it's still super hard to take the chest. No, I'm just leaving the chest. I'm surrounding you. Hey, 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 yeah. You can't get me. I'm too goaded. Okay, I killed. What new crystals are available for me? Wait, what level am I? Level 20. I need to be level 10, level 15. This level 20 must be the Gorilla King. Yeah, level 20 must be the Gorilla King.